Now I want to talk about the Scape character or code. If there's a code and you want to put code on the string, how does it work? I create again another variable name, and I put here, I use here 3, 4. So, and then I use again backlash here because I want to scale these two, and let me do it here. So print, what does it come? So here it is. So it means that the quotation that we want to put, or somebody quotes something, or I want to, because already I have on a string, we are in closer string with single or double. Let me give you another example. Let me give, for example, x. I will put x as a variable, and I say, I won't say it is hot. It's hot, I won't say it. So the variable. So here. So I'm sorry, I should put s here. So it means that here it is. So escape this comma after this, after t. Okay, and then I create another variable, and I said week, and then I say here Monday, then go to next one, and then Tuesday, and then go to next, and then Wednesday, and let me have the print week here. Print week here. See each one, if I put it backlash, and n is going to the next line. So that's going next line, n is going next line, is going to be that. Let me